Another towel. Nah, it's too dirty. Post the reel already? I posted this one. I'm gonna post. I got it on. Throw it back in your car.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the 5 out to the track too, man.
Oh, are you the...
Yeah, I got the M5.
The cul-de-sac? Oh, spicy. Whoa, that sounds pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we're installing the mirror caps and wide angle mirrors. All right, guys, so we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber mirror caps as well as the Suma Speed wide angle mirrors. What I'm doing first is I'm just going ahead and putting some painter's tape underneath the mirror so that I don't scratch anything up. Then, you just get a little plastic pry tool and pry the mirror off. It's scary, but it will come off.
Just a little bit of patience, right? That's all you need.
Yep. There you go.
It's already popped out?
Mm-hmm. You can hear that. You'll hear the click. The top ones, you still have to pop it off, but just, you can finesse it. There you go. I put a carbon fiber towel at the door because I don't want to disconnect the mirror, which we should anyways. All right, whoa, this side looks a little different.
Does it?
Okay, we'll do this first.
Okay.
There's gonna be 3 clips behind the mirror cap, and all you have to do is use a little needle nose, clamp the clip down, and push through. But 3, let me locate these. Okay, 1, 2. Or just paint the top. And 3. There you go. Gotta get this one again. Oh, you guys saw it come off?
Yeah, and then just pops off.
Oh,
there you go. Good thing I was holding it.
Yep. Haha.
So, BMW stock OEM mirror caps, carbon fiber. I think of what, 600 bucks, something?
$600.
No,
900?
900?
I paid 900.
Yo, give me 200, and I'll give you mine.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
I have 2 at home too.
We'll just collect it. All right. To put these mirrors on, it could be a little confusing. You're just gonna stick these 3 clips in. There's this little groove right here that I didn't know before, but you wanna just have that groove line up with this seam right here, and it'll pop in all good. This is more descriptive than my own install video. See, if I get this clip in. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to get it. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a tight fit, but it got in there though.
Yeah. That one was super easy.
Yeah, this one was a little tighter.
Yeah,
This one.
it is.
How's the fitment on there?
Pretty good. Yeah. Next, we got the Suma Speed mirrors. I actually really like these mirrors. I got them on my Supra myself. Pretty simple install. You still get all the functions and blind spot monitoring. The only thing that you lose is the auto dimming feature, but it's already blue tinted, so you don't need auto dimming. What I would recommend you do is disassemble it and remember exactly where it goes. Okay, we'll pull this out of this. Ow. I gotta remember how to disconnect this thing. So on this side's gonna look a little bit different. You're just gonna literally yank the connector out. You might take some force, but just yank it out and you're gonna be okay. And for these,
Subi.
I'm gonna say, JR, I'm just gonna put this one, because this one's out a little further.
Yeah.
We'll put it out, we'll just match it up like that and see if it works.
That sounds good.
And then you're just gonna, with these clips right here, you just pull and shake, and they will come off eventually. There you go. And then we're gonna yank this one. Motherfucker. Fuck. Dude, the other side came off so easy. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, there you go. We're good. Take this off the clip. Here you go, sir.
There you go.
And then we're gonna connect them into.
I'm looking dead.
Yo! The homie just said, was that you driving fast with the Mercedes and purple M5?
Maybe.
David! The neighbor with the all-road. The bagged all-road.
Oh,
Just plug it in pretty much.
saw you?
Whoa, whoa,
I'm
whoa.
gonna find
Whoa,
out.
whoa, whoa, y'all install video going on right now?
Keep focused, keep focused. There you go. So, cool. Jimmy knows I work.
Boom. Okay. And then we'll just put some electrical tape on here so it doesn't come out. I gotta redo mine too. Joe, where'd you put that tape?
Oh, it's over here. Shit.
Guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Gita, V-I-N-H-G-E-T-A. He always spells it wrong.
Go ahead, I'll spell that. That was one time, man. Stop giving me shit. One time.
And I'm just putting electrical tape on so that they don't disconnect because there's not really a clip. It might come off easily. And then, Jay, you want to tape this?
Like I did the other side.
Yep.
So it doesn't interfere with the
You want to grab that big tape?
Yeah, let me get my hand out of there. I mean, that should be good, right?
Oh, that's good. Yep.
Go ahead.
And then you're just gonna pop. It's actually really easy to pop it into place. You're just gonna hear out. Boom. We're all done.
Yeah, we're all done.
And then ASMR for you weirdos. All right, I got a tape on mine too. And then we're all done.
That's well worse.
Yeah, time to get a wing, guys. These canards are humongous. gotta, whoa,
Sneak peek.
gotta follow the channel.
All right, so just a few thoughts on the wide angle mirrors from Suma Performance and the Mod Garage mirror caps. And I'm telling you guys, when it comes to those wide angle mirrors, I'm telling you, they are so worth it. And that is no lie. But I'm telling you, 100%, if they were crap, I would tell you. But the visibility is so much better with those. I thought that I would be happy with the stock mirrors, but no, I would not be able to go back to the stock mirrors after driving around with these for, you know, about a week and a half or so. The mirror caps fit perfectly, no issues with those whatsoever. I got those from Brian at Mod Garage. If you are looking for the mirror caps, I will put his info down in the description below. Same with the mirrors. So a big thanks to Suma Performance for setting those out for me. So I want to say I apologize for, you know, sitting on them for this long. As far as updates on the rest of the parts on the car, I do have new parts on the way. So those should be coming to the channel in about a week or so when I do have time to install it. And when it comes to the wing, you know, I told you guys in this beginning, I don't think it's the right look for me. I was happy with the nicer, more simpler lip spoiler, you know, and I was thinking about it, you know, what am I gonna do? I'm thinking about trunk swapping with someone, but I don't think that's possible with just the, you know, the wiring and how it's just deep in there. So I don't know if a trunk swap is even possible, one, or I could just send it to the body shop and have the holes filled in, trying to get an estimate for that to see how much it is and go back to the old, you know, good old lip spoiler that I think looks probably the cleanest, to be honest with you. Unless you're going for the aggressive look, I get it, but for me, you know, I really like just that OEM Plus type of look. The fenders, I don't know if that's staying, to be honest with you. I'm looking at different types of fenders, something a little bit more cleaner looking, more sporty looking, probably painted this time. I was gonna paint those, but I changed my mind, but we will see. Only time will tell. But anyways, that is it. I don't want to talk too much and bore you guys to death, but anyways, that is it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and we'll talk to you guys later. See you on the next one. Peace out.